like strap in the back that makes the unit go nowhere. So this is what I'm talking about right here. This strap, this makes a big difference, and it has the wig so snug on my head. So if you guys see when I put it on, y'all see that unit is not going anywhere. The lace is already pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and the unit was pre-parted in the middle. So the unit is like, you could really just throw it on and leave the house if you did want to just rock this Yaki straight how it looks. Kind of go over it with a straightener a little bit like you guys are about to see me do. But you guys see it's coming straight out of my head. Like, definitely Scout Beauty Forever Hair did that, because this is not going anywhere. You know, normally when I do glueless units, I'd be like, okay, y'all, I'm gonna do a little spray because I want to feel secure. I definitely felt so secure, that the wig felt so secure on my head. So I just wanted you guys to see what the hair looks like in its natural state before I went ahead and like styled it the way you guys seen in the thumbnail. So this is just what the hair looks like, and this is what it looks like from the back. But I did go ahead and take my wax stick and my hot comb and just went over the top to make sure that it's very flat. And then I went over with my straightener for a couple passes just so you guys can see how the hair looks when it does get straightened out a little bit. And just so you guys see that it definitely gives like natural blowout type vibes. If you want a unit that looks very natural, very similar to natural hair, and it looks like it's coming out of your scalp and you do not have to do nothing, this is the unit that you guys want to get. So you guys already know to check the description box down below to get all the information for this unit. But yeah, you guys, I was loving it, y'all. Like, y'all just see this, like, period. So I was just going over with my baby bliss straightener, and I didn't really like go over it, like straighten my hair out fully, like section by section. I was just taking little parts and straighten it just so you guys can see what the hair looks like when I do go over it with a straightener. And it looks really, really good for the little bit of passes that I did. Now, since everything is done for me, I did just want to go in and perfect my part a little bit with my makeup. And then I went ahead and kind of fixed the makeup kind of overlapping with a little bit of black spray. So now that you guys seen what the hair looked like straight and everything in its natural state, we now are going to start the styling. So if you guys seen by the thumbnail, I did do a bang with like some cute bombshell curls. So that's what we're doing first. I'm just parting out this bang and then getting it exactly how I want it. Now, typically I would go for a bang that's pretty thick. This was my first time doing like a boneless looking type bang, but I actually really liked it. So if you want more hair in your bang, just take out more hair. But I just used a little bit of hair because I haven't cut a bang in a little minute, so I wasn't trying to do the most, but it actually came out looking really cute. The next day. So yeah, but now what we're getting into is just using like doing some layers in the hair before I start curling. So I just cut some layers in the hair on both sides, and then I am going to use my T3 curler to curl my hair, and I am curling away from my face. And I used a razor for this side because it's kind of hard for me to use scissors on my least dominant side to cut layers, so I just use like a little razor for that. But my T3 curler is broke. Y'all already know it's been broken for a little minute. Like, I need to just break it on down and go get another one. But it's been broken for a minute, so this is how I use it. For a little part in the front, I kind of used it, the curler part, but it like doesn't open all the way. So when I curl my hair, I just do it this way. But if you are gonna do it this way, just make sure that the hair is more open and it's not like bunched up as if like you're using a wand curler. So now that all the curls are done, and do not mind me yapping, y'all, I was yapping while I was curling my hair. I just went ahead and sprayed it with some Got To Be spray. Y'all know I've been loving Got To Be spray as holding spray, and I'm just brushing through these curls with a wide tooth comb. And as you guys can see, I was kind of nervous because of the Yaki texture. I didn't know if the hair was actually going to, you know, give me the curls that I actually wanted, but it definitely did, and it looks so cute, y'all. I was really loving the way the curls was turning out. So I was just, you know, getting used to it, kind of feeling around for it, but I was just trying to brush the bang out so it can look really cute. But y'all, I really love the way this hair came out with the bang and the curls. Like, I feel like the bang wasn't too much and the curls really complemented it. So if you guys ever try this style, tag me in it, or comment down below if you guys like this style or not. But you guys already know all the information for this unit will be down below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back with another video.